Hey guys, Callie Fab here, and today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of a few of the boxes I got in September. I did also sign on to the Allure Beauty Box, and I'm going to wait until I have 3 months worth to show you guys all 3 months, and at that point I'm going to decide if I want to keep it or if it's something I can kind of get rid of. So far it's been for the Allure Beauty Box. So I want to show you guys all of those products that I've gotten the last 3 months and kind of average it out and see if it's worth the $45 because it is $15 a month, so it's a little bit more expensive than some of the other ones like Birchbox and Ipsy. But anyways, today I'm going to do my Ipsy, my Birchbox, and my Boxycharm. I think it's like the BoxyLUXE is what it's called because that's what I ended up getting. I signed on for it after my girlfriend reminded me about it, and I also signed up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so instead of these little sample bags I'm going to get full-size products here in the future. I figured that would be more efficient for me. I do love a lot of the little sample sizes that I get, but I have so many samples in my collection now, there is no way I'm going to be able to use them all in the next year. So instead of getting a bunch of more samples, I'm going to get a few full sizes and see if it's worth it, and then at that point I'll decide at the end of the year if it's something I want to keep or if I can get rid of it for 2019 because I have more than enough products. So let's get into it. Let's start with Ipsy, and this month, you know, you guys have all seen the bag already, but this month is Who's Going to Shop Me, #Ipsy. I don't know. I got the cheek blush from Douce. This is in the shade RSVP number 61. That actually looks like a really, really good color. Hopefully I can stick this in a magnetic palette or my Z palette, and that actually looks like a really, really good fall color, so I'm excited about that one. Then I got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I have yet to try this. I have gotten it in a previous Sephora Play box, so I have not tried it, and I am excited to try it. I also got what looks to be like a very good like luxury sample size. This is the Cream Shop Double Cleanse 2-in-1 Facial Foam Daily Cleanser and Makeup Remover with green tea, white lily, and rice water. And it is the brightening effect, and it is made in Korea. So that actually looks really nice. I love K-beauty items, which just is Korean beauty items. They usually work very, very well for my skin. Then I got from Hanalei the matte bronzer. I did swatch this already, and it actually looks like a really, really good contour color for me. It is more on the cooler side, which is how I like my contours. So that is what the brand looks like, and I've tried a ton of things from this brand, and I loved every single one of them so far, so I am very excited for that. And the very last item in my bag is from Tarte. We have gotten this brand a million times. And this is the mini lip glaze in Mumbai Magenta. This is a very bright color, definitely not a fall color. Here it is here. I don't know. I have swatched this already, so I don't know if this is for me. Oh, it's like a little bit sheer though. This actually might work for me. It is not super, super like opaque, which I can actually work with because it's not opaque. The fact that it is a little bit more creamy and a little bit more translucent, I can definitely work with that. So those were all of the items that I got in my Ipsy. Once again, I'm really excited that I got the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because these are exciting, but not as exciting what I already know I'm gonna get for the month of October. Yes, I did look at the sneak peek because I had to see, and I am super duper excited. So anyways, I have my Birchbox here also from September, and I did end up canceling my Birchbox. I have 2 more boxes coming in. I'm pretty sure I have October and November coming in as well, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it when it comes up. But it says, oh, here's the thing here. I'm not gonna look at that. But the one item that I ended up choosing is the Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, and it just looks like a very light pink peachy color lip balm. I did try it on my lips and it tasted really, really nice, so there's that. I have the little MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. I have gotten these little samples before. I have yet to try it, so I could have definitely gone with a different makeup item than mascara. And then I got the Avene Cleanance Expert Emulsion. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look it up. Directions for use: apply morning and or evening to the face, can be used alone or in combination with local medicinal treatment. Product developed to minimize the risk of allergic reactions, avoid contact with eyes. That's interesting. Just this like little teeny tiny guy, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to use that, but I will figure it out, I'm sure. And then I got the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. This actually looks really nice. It's natural skincare. I don't know, that actually looks really, really nice to try out. We'll see. And then finally, I got another thing from this N4 High Performance Hair Care Joie Diamante, whatever, smoothing balm. I got the leave-in conditioner last month, and I'm really excited to get this smoothing balm because I'm almost out of the smoothing balm that I have right now, and I love using that after every single shower. So that was all that I got in my Birchbox this month. Not very exciting, to be totally honest. That's why I canceled it. It seems like all of my Birchboxes have been kind of meh. So, you know, why spend the extra 10 bucks on that when I could spend the extra money on something that I really, really like Ipsy or Boxycharm. So that is my decision. And finally, I got the big, huge box from Boxycharm because, like I said, I got the BoxyLUXE. So you get a huge like pamphlet for it, and I have already looked inside here, so I will tell you the prices of everything as I go. So we first got a bag. Ooh, this will be like a perfect shopping bag. It says Totes a Charmer. Totes. I really, really like this. This is super cute. Actually, this might come with me on the cruise so that I can put our bathing suits in here for when we go on the beaches. That actually might be a nice bag for that. This is a good bag. Seriously, Boxycharm, thank you for not giving us the teeny tiny little makeup bag that nobody ever uses or needs. This is actually useful. So I was trying to look for a price on that bag, but there wasn't one. So the next item that we got is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette, and this is the one with the many different colors in it. I'm sure you guys have seen it already, but here's like a little synapse of all the colors on there. I'm really excited to try this out. There is highlighting and contouring colors and bronzing colors, so this is definitely a me type of palette. This palette retails for $45, so this palette alone pays for the entire box, I think, or very close to paying for it all. And then we got from Pretty Vulgar the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, which I am super duper excited to try out. I've been wanting this one specifically for all the cool tones. I love cool tone looks lately. I've been really, really enjoying the cool tones this fall, and I definitely think this is going to be a good one for me. This eyeshadow palette retails for $35 at Sephora, so I think that is a great thing to get in the box. So this is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. Never seen this before. Ooh, this is like a bronzing oil. I know it's like to help you glow. I get that, I understand that. These are all full-size items, by the way. Oh, whoa. I'm figuring it out as we go, apparently. Okay, so there is a safety seal on there, thank God, because I feel like this would be all over the place. I feel like this big old cap is like really like annoying on here. Like, why does it have to be this humongous cap? I mean, I get that that's like their look or whatever, but the cap is like as big as the container, or maybe bigger. That's a little annoying. Anyways, this actually looks like it's gonna be a really, really good bronzing oil. I am gonna bring this on the cruise with me and test it out. This retails for $35 at Sephora. This is the R&Co Death Valley Dry Shampoo, and I just used up one of my Dove dry shampoos, and this one actually looks like a really good travel size. It's not too small where you're only gonna get like one use out of it, but it's also not too big where, you know, it's a full size and it's obnoxious. I think this is their full size though. I wanna say it is because it's $17. So I'm assuming it is. Hopefully it lasts for a long time as much as those like bigger full-size ones are. Maybe there's just like, it does feel completely full of product, so hopefully this will last and be very, very good. Then I got the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues, and this is a full-size product. I do have this product already in my collection. Let me get it. So this is the new one. This is the one I currently have. You can tell that the patterns on them are a little bit different. They are both in Tropic Hues though, which kind of drives me crazy because I already have it. So that is what the blush looks like there. I love this blush. This blush has been in many, and I mean many, of my favorites videos. So the packaging, the only difference is that this is a matte packaging and this is a shiny packaging. Also on the back, this does say sample, not for sale, or not for sale, not for resale, I guess. And then this one does not say anything because it's a full size. So both of these full size products, which like I said, I only got the one in my box, but they retail for $28. So I think this is awesome to get in the box. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna give this away or if I'm going to put it in a giveaway or gift it to a friend. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm gonna hold on to it for right now. And my neighbor is doing weed whacking, so if you guys can hear that, I'm really sorry. So the next thing I got is from Smashbox, and it is a Photo Finish Serene Greens Primer Water. This is a full size, and it's in Rise and Revitalize, or that's what it says on the back at least. This is in collab with Nicole Concilio. I don't really watch her or really know her, to be totally honest, which I guess I should, maybe, I don't know. But this actually looks really, really nice. You can put it on before your makeup, after your makeup, or just throughout the day just to refresh and revitalize your skin. So I'm excited to try out that one. Then I got the Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. This actually looks like a really nice powder foundation brush. And the handle is like the soft touch. Oh, I really like that, like the NARS packaging, that really nice soft touch. This actually looks really nice. It's super, super soft too. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It is actually like a perfect size for me. I really like these kind of brushes. I actually just bought the new limited edition Love is the Foundation brush from It Cosmetics at the store today. I actually returned a couple things and then bought that with the return money, so I am excited to have that, but I'm really excited to have this one too. Oh, so that Luxie brush retails for $38, which that is very expensive. And then I got the three brush set from Alamar Cosmetics. Here it is here. I obviously have not opened it yet. These three brushes retail for $18, not a piece, but together. I don't know if they sell it as a set on their website or anything like that, but this looks like a nice crease blending brush. This looks like an all over shadow brush, and this looks like, for me, a lower lash definer brush. So I am really excited to try these out. I have yet to try out her brushes. So I know this is Kathleen Lights' friend, I guess, or makeup artist or something, but I am really excited to try out these brushes. Okay, just three more things. So we got the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer, and this retails for $70. So this definitely pays for the box and more. Totally full. So there are two little holes in the bottom, which makes me think this isn't, yep, it's an airless pump. So this is the one where you push on the top and the product comes up. I don't want to waste it. I don't want to use it yet, so I don't want to waste it, and it feels like jelly almost. Interesting. I'm really excited to try this out, but this is what the packaging looks like. This was on sale on Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale, I think for half off. So maybe that's why we got it in the box, but I am totally happy with getting this in the box. It's nothing I would have bought on my own. So getting it in the box is actually really exciting for me. So then I got the Hank & Henry. This is a liquid lipstick, but it looks like a regular bullet lipstick in the tube. But you unscrew it, and it's actually a liquid lipstick. I was very confused when I first opened up the box. Ooh, this is actually a really pretty color. It's very fall-esque to me. Ooh, it smells good. Oh wow. So that is the color that I got there. This retails for $17, I think. $17, yep. And I got this shade Petal Pusher, and it is a matte liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna leave this on my hand for the duration of the video and see if it dries down completely matte, because if not, then kind of ruins the point of being a matte liquid lipstick, you know? Anyways. The final thing that we got is from the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and this is the Dolly Makeup Headband. I really don't wear stuff like this ever. I know. But I guess you can wear it for like when you're washing off your makeup at the end of the night or when you're putting on your makeup in the morning. I just hold my hair back, do my makeup, and then I'm good. Or I put my hair in a ponytail. I don't ever wear these. So I might actually just end up putting this in my giveaway box just because I don't want to waste it. It is very cute. This retails for $4.99, so $5 for this, which actually is kind of expensive if you think about it, but it's still a good price. It's just not something I will ever use. It's just like a cute little pink and white polka dotted bow. It's cute. I just won't use it. Alright, you guys, so that was all. Let me check this liquid lipstick. So it hasn't dried down completely yet, which, like I said, I don't know if it actually will, but yeah, now it's on my finger. So I will have to test that out and show you guys. If there's anything in these boxes that you guys want me to do a full review on, please let me know. So if you are interested in purchasing it and you want to know my opinion about it, I would love to share them with you. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this really late unboxing. I just wanted to compare a few of these items and look forward to the Allure Beauty Box unboxing once I get my October box. I am looking forward to comparing them all and seeing if it's worth it to keep the $15 subscription or if I should just give it up and, you know, say we tried but it doesn't work out. But anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. With my lipstick. Bye.